Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change our voice on Discord. So you can do that thing like I recommend to you better you do that from the PC, from your PC, because you need to install the application what I show you today. So if you want to change your voice, you need to go to your browser. I go to Google, and you need to search that page, clownfish voice changer. So you need to pick here, and in this page these people explain to you what you need to do to install that application and connect it with to Discord. So you need to install that application, and you need to follow the instructions what in the page of the clownfish voice changer give to you. So this is the option, this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.